Okay, time to make my way through to the forest. Okay, onward team.
Okay, okay. I can do this. Ah! Yeah, it's a monster. Get away from me. What's the matter? Oh, crap.
Okay, now let's see. It's roaming around here somewhere.
Man, this is
pretty cool.
Nice, I guess.
Huh.
Wow,
we have
I finally got it.
Huh? A dead falling monk? Oh no.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get out of here.
Get out of here. Come on, finish that. I'm trying.
Ow! Oh my God, my ankle! Ow! 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 Ow!
Come on, I'm stuck. I can't get it off. Get it off. Come on, you're almost there. Oh no, we're trapped.
Oh, I think we're trapped.
Hang on, Flaky. Come on, we're almost there. Oh no, Flaky! I gotta get out of here. Oh shoot, gotta run. Oh, please, don't, please. I think I just peed a little, but not gonna lie, I just gotta eat. Ew, that was close. Ew, that was close. Ah, there's the boat. Huh? Oh God, there it is. It followed me. Ha. Phew. Aha, you can't get me now. See you later, sucker. Alright, now I got the idol, safe and sound. Alright, time to set you up there and time to take a nice nap.